What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. A lot of you guys are probably asking questions as to why I'm doing a lot of videos of trying to restore things and fix things on this car, and the reason why you guys have been seeing a lot of those videos and not mods like adding an exhaust or doing a lot of other crazy things was for this video. As you guys can see by the title, we are wrapping the 300ZX. I'll show you guys the color in a bit, but I just finished wrapping up the previous video you guys saw, which was the door dings. Yes, unfortunately I was unsuccessful. That really sucked, but that's not gonna delay what we have going and planned for the 300ZX. It is a 3-day weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we are going to wrap the car this weekend because I cannot have this car out of commission during the week since it is my daily and I need it. But anyways, today is Friday. We're gonna get an early start on this, so we're gonna have 4 days to complete this full wrap on this car, which shouldn't be that difficult in my opinion. I'm gonna go ahead and prep the car, clay bar, and we're gonna disassemble most of the car so we can have it ready for tomorrow. Hopefully we can get this done by Sunday night and this car will be put back together Monday, or who knows, maybe we can get it all finished Sunday. If you guys are wondering what's the color we're going with, let's head in here and I will show you guys. If you guys know what color that is, leave it in the comment section below. We have 55 feet right here. This is a 55-foot roll, which I feel like that's all I'm going to need to wrap the 300ZX. Let's head on back outside and I guess we can go ahead and get started. We're gonna clay bar the hood since this is what we're gonna do first, and a couple trim pieces up top, as well as this little piece in the front. Alright, so we finished clay barring, so now we're gonna go ahead, pull the roll out, and we're gonna cut the hood, and that's gonna be the very first piece we lay. We've been out here for 2 hours. We're gonna call it a day. We started pretty late. It was about 9 o'clock. We finished what we wanted, and I'll show you guys what we did so far and what we got done. All right, so we're done for today. This is all we've completed, as you guys can see. This is as much as we've gotten done. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning once we pick this back up. Alright, so we back. Today is Saturday. Got my Real Madrid jersey on because we about to win the Champions League, right, John? We about to smack Liverpool in a couple hours. We're going to go back to wrapping up until the game starts. Then we're going to take a nice little break and go watch the game. But for today, we're going to disassemble somewhat of the car. Parts that we need to take off so we can get to wrapping. And I'm also going to be sanding down the rough spots, like the deep scratches. Try to get it as smooth as possible. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to try to get these smooth because they are kind of protruding out. Over here we did have this, but I already managed to make it as smooth as I possibly can. So the transition from this rough spot to this is not going to be that crazy. But the goal for today is to try to get as much as we can get done today. I really want to have this car done by tomorrow. We do got a lot of things to do today. Hopefully we can get most of it done today. If not, then we should be wrapping it up tomorrow.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded, get the party started. Yeah, get the party started, yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up, pour that shit in my...
We got most of the things in here done, but I did find a couple of things that do need to be sanded down as well. Areas around here. I guess the guy that previously owned the car, he bought that paint match because it seems like he did touch-ups like we did with the Camaro previous videos back. So I think that's what he went ahead and did, but he put way too much. But we sanded those pieces down, and under the wrap, you're not gonna really be able to tell where those parts were. The Champions League finals about to start. Who do you guys got for that one? I know the game's probably gonna be long gone by the time you guys see this video, but who are you guys rooting for in the Champions League? John got Liverpool, right, John?
That's enough.
John got Liverpool. He's like, Liverpool about to take it off. Let us know if you guys know what this is. We're gonna talk about it at the end of the video.
Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up, pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up, crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out, in front of a whole crowd, we lose control now, y'all take this shit too personally, everybody got a different version of me, everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency.
My brother's finishing up the last little bits of it. This is how it looks. We put that masking tape around the rubber seal because we weren't able to remove it, and that will give us a nice little guideline on where to cut. We're gonna call it there for now. The game's about to start. We're gonna go ahead inside, eat, watch the game. Hopefully Madrid wins, and then we'll come back and continue wrapping. So we just got done watching the Clásico. Real Madrid took it 3-1 with some errors from the Liverpool goalkeeper. It could have gone to extra time without the errors. I kind of felt we could have lost that game if Salah didn't get injured. But besides that, we're 3 times in a row Champions League winners. But we're back to wrapping. My brother's just disassembling the door handles. We got a couple more pieces wrapped on the car. We're going to continue to push through. We're going to move the car from that position. We're going to try to put it in this bay right here because there's a lot of dirt and stuff on that bay considering the dog's there. To see if we can have a better install for the remaining portions of the car. That's actually what I'm gonna go ahead and do. My brother's gonna continue disassembling the doors. Hopefully he gets those done in a little bit. And once he's done with that, he'll come through and help me with these. But the front quarter panels, I'm gonna go ahead and do those by myself right now. I'm trying to get them knocked out just so we can keep this going and get as much as we can done today so we can finish it tomorrow. Both pieces have been cut out. A lot of you guys might be questioning, like, why did I cut out both quarter panels out of a 1.5x5? And it is running directional, since it is directional film. We're gonna do a full circle around the car. Let me show you guys what we're going to do. Anyways, just know that it's gonna be directional still. We got both of them cut out, as you guys can see. They're right here. One's left, one's right. We're doing a full circle. We are keeping directional, as a lot of you guys might be questioning. I'm gonna go ahead and lay one down, and then we'll go ahead and lay the next one. So I got the fender done. This is how it's looking. Took me a minute. Try to get it all tucked in. But I guess we're gonna go ahead and move on to this one. So I got this done. I'm saving that so I can do the 2 door handles out of that piece. But we really don't have much to do tomorrow, to be quite honest. We got the front bumper, the 2 doors, and the whole rear. The main thing that took us a lot to do today was disassembling. But apart from that, everything looks nice. I'm gonna go ahead and go inside, finish watching the war game in there, call it a night, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow morning for day 3. What is up, guys? We are back. Today's day 3 of the wrap build on the 300ZX. We're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. We're going to be doing the door panels and hopefully wrapping everything today, because most of the day yesterday we spent disassembling the car, which kind of took a lot longer than we expected. But today all we got is just wrap every single piece, wrap whatever we got exposed, and hopefully we can get it done today.
I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere.
It has been a long day. It's been a long day. We've ran into a lot of issues trying to get most of this car sorted for today. I was hoping that we would flawlessly go through everything, but that wasn't the case. And this is as much as we got done today. We did the door handles on both sides. We still have to assemble that door on the other side. And we did manage to do the front bumper. The bumper wasn't in very bad shape, to be quite honest. A lot of things there that kind of did suck, but we've got most of it sorted. As you guys can see, it flows quite nicely. The nice little flow, it's positioned perfectly. The bumper was in bad shape. Let me show you guys where. Right there, that's where I had more trouble trying to get that sorted. I had to put the crack there. I might be putting a stitch there, but we've got over here done. Like I said, we don't have the door assembled, but we do have this door handle wrapped completely, so it's ready to be assembled. Tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow we finish. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow for day number 4 and hopefully the last. What is up, guys? Welcome back. This is day 4 of wrapping the 300ZX, and there's really not much to say. I'm gonna go ahead, jump right into it, because I want to get it done today.
I used to say I was sincere.
For those of you guys wondering why we ended up doing this little finish line cut right here, the reason is that this whole rear quarter panel is one whole piece, which is weird as hell. It starts from here, from the door, it goes all around, it becomes super small right here, goes all around through the back, and it attaches right here to this one. It's all one piece, which is pretty crazy, and that's the reason we ended up going with these right here.
I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere. I used to say I was sincere.
Alright, so the original outro got corrupted, unfortunately. We got the 86 over here, and we got my car in the front. I want to show you guys the full color shift. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how the car turned out, and I'm going to give you guys some cinematics for it. Let's go. So you guys saw the cinematics. You guys saw, well, you can't go that way, but.
Oh, dog.
Why?
What the heck is that?
What is what?
You're not supposed to see the bulb.
You can see the bulb.
That shit looks ugly.
He's talking about that. Does that look ugly? That looks pretty cool. Anyway, so you guys saw the cinematics. I like the car, but
You're gonna change the color.
oh shit! Can you do something about that damn door?
Blur it out.
I'm not gonna blur it out. You know how hard that shit is and how time consuming it is.
Yeah.
No, you don't, cause you don't edit. I'd rather just show your color, cause it's not my car. You wanna blur it out? Come upstairs and edit it.
I'm gonna see it. 300 people.
That's fine. 300 people are the ones that want to look at your car later, though. So my brother doesn't care because nobody's gonna see it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the color of his Z, and I'm gonna leave this in the video. So you guys saw the cinematics. You guys see how the car looks. It's dirty. Looks like a pile of shit. You guys probably can't tell by the video. I'm going to wrap it again. I like the color. I like the psychedelic color, but I did it just to experiment. It's really not for me. There's gonna be many more things to come with the car, but as of right now, this is how it's gonna sit. I haven't done nothing in the past 3 months. I've been doing a lot of other stuff on the side, so I haven't had time to edit, and I haven't had time to produce videos. The whole project and all cost me around $600, just like my brother's car. The wrap itself was more expensive. It was about $555. That's gonna be it, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Please drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Help us reach 35,000 subscribers. We hit 30K, and I want to thank you guys for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does.